What's going on, everybody? So, the day has come. It's Friday. We told you guys that we will be picking a winner from the contest we did on the video about our favorite things. Um, I got some names in the bowl. And we actually spent our own money, guys. We put this package together especially for you. We appreciate you guys looking at the video, sharing it. All the feedback has been great. So let me go ahead and pick a name. Um, Whatever name I pick, we are going to go ahead and DM you for your address, and I will be shipping your box out next week. And the name is Val.
Oh,
Yep. Hey, congrats,
congratulations.
Val. I will be DMing you so that we can send your gift out right away. I believe next week I'll be sending that out. Congratulations. Hey, I appreciate you guys for sharing, looking at the video. And hey, if you guys have anything that you think we should review or check out, let me and Sweet TV know, and we will try to make a video for you guys. All right.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for your support.
Peace. See you, Dave.
Bye.